Okay, listen in guys, so what we're going to do now is capture the flag, raise the flag, whatever you want to do, a little bit of a twist.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to SGN and welcome back to part 2 of the original Sunday, really. Well, there's not much to say, but just enjoy today's video. Thank you for watching.
Raising the flags and try and get in there to do the timer as well. We'll play for 20 minutes, then we'll swap sides straight away, and then we'll play for another 20 minutes, and then we'll go back and out at the team. Are we happy? Cool. Yeah. Cool. Your start point is your respawn point. That is it. No marshals or anything like that. Any questions?
Where do babies come from?
Oh, that's a wrong question.
Right. Red team down there.
He didn't specify what questions, these are questions.
Some special handmade.
Right, after one lunch and one tasty pot noodle, we're on to capture the flag. Objective is pretty simple, as Mike explained. Go around the map, capture the flags, kill some people. My goal for this game would be mainly to stay down the bottom, as there's a lot more open areas where I could take long shots and use my sniper instead of my handgun. In this clip, I will show exactly why, as an airsoft sniper, you want your ghillie to be able to match the environment that you're in, and why patience is key to a sniper's success. Watch this.
Yes, that's me.
And as you just saw, being blended in perfectly, being still, having the patience to making sure that I have clear view and a clear shot on my target before I engage, landed that sniper. Quite an embarrassing moment. He didn't see me there for approximately a minute and a half, which was hilarious.
Hit!
And just like that, I overstayed my welcome, so I got killed. Obviously the team communicates with themselves, so they found out where I was. And also, me shooting out doesn't help and bobbing my head around. Anyway, let's try to get a different angle on the enemy team.
Hit!
Due to my incompetence and me moving around a bit too much, I got spotted by an enemy, which resulted in me being killed. I had nothing else from this round, but let's move on to the next one and see what we have there.
What a lovely skip in your step.
It was.
Graceful like Bambi.
I was flying. The butterfly.
I'll be graceful like bear.
Oh, not bad.
A good Russian bear.
Like Bosco.
Strong Russian bear.
Alright, we call it that.
I mean, if you want to bend over like that
I
again.
was going to say, well, what are you tempting us with?
Sorry.
Are you sure you want to do that with
I
us
mean,
on your team?
bro, you just gave me a good clip. Fucking airsoft gone wrong, gone sexual.
I was going to say, you sure you want to do that with us on that team? Right, the youngest, the fittest, can run for the tower. The rest of us will cheer you on.
Yeah, you give him one spawn out of me.
I think there's literally no young people here.
I'm not walking up there.
I think we're all old.
Yeah, we all got old bones.
Anyone in their teens? You don't count, you're still an infant. He's still an infant. Oh, actually, yeah, there you go. You could go get tower.
I'm too tired.
Well.
You're the youngest out of all of us though, so you get volunteered by default.
Yeah, we got the youngest and the
Voluntold,
laziest.
more like.
I don't know, maybe.
Lads, he needs a bit of motivation. Up the hill.
I mean, he looks a bit...
Now go!
This round I decided to just sit at the very bottom of the hill, just so enemies can't go around and flank my teammates.
People not calling their hits again.
Right then, that was it. Time for a little break and then CQB.
Oh, this is like a love story.
Right. Seen once.
And then the sneaky link comes in.
No, fuck off.
And then a big black boy comes in.
Oh.
Go on. Game over! Switch sides! Go! 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 Run! Run! Run like your life depends on it!
Oh, what a headshot. There's a guy fucking crawling on the floor.
I won't let you go.
Do the guy that just stood up?
Yeah.
He was crawling on the floor.
You see that?
Push it left side into the trenches! Go on, now hit your back. There you go, take that one. Got him! Right in the head. Boom, headshot! Oh, clear, move up! Huh?
And finally we have a final clip that made my entire day. Remember our ghillie friend who didn't see me for so long earlier? You know, when I was chilling in the bush? Well, me and him have a bit of a rivalry. When we're on opposite teams, we always try to take each other out. In this clip, I have exactly that, and I'll admit, I went a little bit psychotic.
What is that, DMR or AG?
It's AG. Well, it's got on a phone, like.
Right, make sure you're covering right side. Because they can sneak up on us again.
And that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao!